Hey everyone, Jessica here, personal trainer from Miami, Florida. Today I'm gonna walk you guys through an awesome glute and leg workout you can do at home, no equipment needed, and it'll take around 10 minutes. So we're going to warm our glutes up with clams. So we're going to go on our side. Right here, place your legs about 90 degrees. And then when we come up, when we thrust up, we're also going to open our legs out. So we're going to go up and out at the same time. Let's go ahead and do 20. Make sure when you're coming up, you're not only going up, but you're squeezing your glutes as well. That's 10. We have 10 more on this side. You should really feel the weight on your bottom leg. Okay, switch to the other side, 20 as well. Ten more. That's 20. You should really feel your legs getting nice and warm and your glutes as well. So next exercise, we're going to do squats. So we're going to do a total of 50 squats. We're going to do the first 25 regular squats all the way down, all the way up. And then the last 25, we're going to stay low. We're going to do paused. So 25. You want to make sure when you come down, you bring your glutes back and your knees don't pass your toes. Weight on the heels. $15, 10 more. Three. That was the last one. We're going to go right into the bounce squats. So 25. Stay low, watch the knees. We have 5 left. Okay, so come up, take a sip of water if you have to. Okay. Next, we're going to do side steps. So we're going to go from left to right, and we're going to do it paused as well, so no coming all the way up. So let's stay low. So let's get into the squat position first. We're going to stay low. We're going to step to one side, close the step up, and back again to the other side. 20 each side. Okay, we have 10 more to each side. I'm gonna go ahead and switch sides for you guys. So watch the knees. We're gonna go out and back. You want to make sure you're not coming up throughout the exercise. Stay as low as when you started. Okay, a few more. All right, if you guys are doing this with me, you should really feel those legs tightening up and that booty working. Okay guys, next we're doing curtsy lunges to lateral kicks. So we're doing 1 and 1. We're going to do a total of 15 each leg. So we're going to curtsy down, opposite leg, opposite side, and when we come up, we're going to kick lateral. So that's 1. So this is really going to work your outer glute and your outer thigh as well. Five more on this leg. Okay, let's switch legs. If you need to hold on to something for balance, you definitely can. A couch, a chair. As long as you keep your back straight and you're not leaning forward. We have 5 left. Last 2. All right, catch your breath. Take a sip of water. Okay, last one. We're going to go ahead and do those squats that we started with, but instead of 25 regular squats and 25 bounces, we're going to do 50 of each. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the regular squats. So toes forward, hip width apart. Make sure you're keeping your eyes on those knees and don't have them past your toes when you come down. That's 20, we have 30 left. Finish up with me. 10. Okay, now we have the 50 bounce squats. If you need to catch your breath a little bit before you go on to those, that's fine. That's the last one. Okay, so remember when you come down, glutes back, 50. So we're gonna stay low, total of 50. It's 25, halfway there, push through. And remember, weight on your heels. 15 left. All right. If you did this entire workout with me, you should really feel your quads warming up and your glutes tight as well. If you like the workout, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know how it went for you, and I'll see you guys next time.